in a battle between two top crypto exchanges, but rumors swirl around that FTX could be in big trouble if whales withdraw. Sam Bankman-Fried affirmed that the company's assets are very stable, the liquidity does not face any difficulties. Sam said that currently FTX is still processing customer withdrawals. The exchange is heavily regulated on client assets, audited against GAAP, and has over $1 billion in cash. Before the move to want to withdraw the investment from Binance, the community couldn't help but worry and the massive sell-off of FTT took place. The amount of stablecoins flowing out of the exchange in the past 7 days reached more than $300 million, leaving a balance of $261 million before the drama dried up and had to ask Alameda Research for $257 million to ensure liquidity, according to data from Nansen. FTX's stablecoin reserves have just hit their lowest level of the year, around $51 million so far, and have fallen by 93% over the past 2 weeks.